friends, welcome to my channel Jaswiarts. In this video, I am going to show you how to make watermelon juice. So, we have to prepare some items for juice. Watermelon, we have to cut watermelon in small pieces. We have to take some ice cubes. Take some pink salt. Take lemon slices. Take some fresh mint leaves. Take some sugar. Take some soaked chia seeds. First add ice cubes in jar. Now add watermelon pieces. Now add some pink salt. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar or as you require. Now grind them in juice mixy jar. Add chia seeds in the glass. Now add mixed watermelon juice in glass. We can decorate the glass with lemon slice and mint leaves. Enjoy this watermelon juice in this summer. Enjoy your drink. Meet you again in next video. Bye bye. See you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Jaswiarts. Thanks for watching. Bye.